Hello everyone. Today's topic is AIDS. AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunity deficiency means immunity lost or deficiency of immune system. And syndrome means group of symptoms. So in this disease, what happens due to the loss of the immunity, group of symptoms appeared in the body. First time reported in 1981. AIDS caused by the HIV virus. Who discovered this virus? Discovered by Luc Montagnier and Robert Charles Gallo. This virus contains RNA as genetic material. This genetic material is single-stranded. Single-stranded RNA is the genetic material of this virus. Inside the HIV virus, two copies of RNA present within the conical capsid and surrounded by plasma membrane. HIV virus contains viral envelope protein. Transmission of the HIV virus how happens by 5 ways. HIV virus transmitted into an healthy person. First is sexual contact with the infected person. Second, by sharing infected needles. Example, drug abuser use needles to take intravenous injection from infected mother to her child through the amniotic fluid, through the vaginal fluid and by the blood. By breastfeeding, also HIV virus can enter into the body of a child. Contaminated blood transfusion are the some ways by which HIV virus can enter into the body of a this HIV virus, this retrovirus first affect the macrophages. Inside the macrophage develop their multiple progeny and multiple progeny by developing they are ready to become the infect and kill the T helper lymphocytes. Multiple symptoms appears due to the infection of the HIV, entry of the HIV virus in the body. When our normal cell come in contact of the HIV virus, this HIV virus enter their genome, viral genome, that is RNA, single-stranded RNA enter into the human cytoplasm, human normal cell cytoplasm, where with the help of reverse transcriptase enzyme, this reverse transcriptase enzyme present in the HIV virus, with the help of this reverse transcriptase enzyme, there is the formation of the double-stranded viral DNA. Process will be reverse transcription. We in a normal case from the double-stranded DNA by the process of transcription single-stranded RNA form. But in reverse transcription from single-stranded RNA double-stranded DNA form. This DNA enter and mix with the genome of human genome, that is the double-stranded DNA, and this infected DNA now by the process of transcription form the RNA, which are viral RNA, and this viral RNA makes their form with multiple copies and developed into the new viruses, and these viruses ready to infect the normal healthy cell. This normal human cell is mainly the macrophages of the human blood cell. So this is about the how HIV infect the normal human cell. I hope understand about the AIDS